everybody, it's your boy, Spider X Elite. Look at the Punisher over here on the right side. I have no idea why I just went backwards. Where everybody at? Oh shoot, you're right behind me. Bro, shut your mouth up. What the heck was that? Oh, that's payback for killing me when I was trying to pick something up that fell on my road. Come here, boy. Headshots? Excuse me? There you are. Come here. Huh? Got him. What if war was like this? War. War never changes. Whoa! No, it's a dead end. No, they're chasing me. Gotta get out of here. Shoot, he's right here. I just stole his kill. What is that reload sound? Pop, 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 pop. We killed each other at the same time. Oh wait, no, he didn't. I'm gonna go with the AK. Good old AK-47. Heavy assault rifle. Oh! No! I died before I could even use the coronavirus vaccine. We're about to win it. Oh, shoot. Yeah, we are. I thought that said 3 for 9. Let's go. That's it. That's probably going to be the last video for this specific game. Probably going to be doing some more Johnny Trigger or different version of the trigger. So,